Hello there, this is George at Coatings by the Bay. We are your local ceramic coating experts. We are based in Kaukauna, serve the Appleton, Pere, and Green Bay areas. And again, we exclusively install and maintain ceramic coating. We do not perform any other type of service other than the required paint correction to put ceramic coating on the car. I just wanted to take a moment, A, and show off this 24 Tesla Model Y that I just got done. But B, answer a question that hit one of my ads today, or I guess rather a statement. Somebody on Facebook, what a shock, a somewhat toxic area to be, commented on one of my ads, hey, you only ever show new cars, that's so easy to make shiny, show us something old. Okay, I can certainly understand that. The person was 100% right. I do mainly show new vehicles. And the reason for that is I do mainly new vehicles. There are examples of paint correction on classics and vehicles that are a couple model years older, like 2021s, 2022s. But it's like asking a roofer to show you the one time he did plumbing in a house, as a favor for a friend. We focus on new and luxury vehicles. Nearly all of them are in great condition when they come to me. Usually no more than a single step of corrections needed. So yes, I show a lot of new vehicles. One of the best lessons I learned in marketing through running my own company for a few years is show people what you want to do. When we first started 2018, I was showing off soccer vans that were trashed that we had detailed and brought back to life. And I was wondering why all we were getting was soccer vans that were trashed that needed to come back to life. So I don't know, to the Facebook comment today on the ad, you're right. We do focus mainly on new vehicles, and therefore I mainly show new vehicles. But we welcome any year vehicle in here. We suggest it be well maintained to kind of fit into that, $995 price tag for any size vehicle. If it's been through car washes for 5 years straight, it's going to need a little correction. I just like to be upfront with that. Like if you're not in the current model year, you probably need paint correction. Just to plan on an extra couple $100. And sometimes even new vehicles need it. They come with sanding marks from the manufacturer. The detailer had to wash the car 8-9 times while they showed it off at the dealership. So it's less likely, but it still happens. So like I said, I definitely do show a lot of new vehicles. This is another example of a brand new vehicle, but it's really all I work on. So if you have a new or luxury vehicle and live in or around Appleton, Green Bay, Pere, or Kaukauna, I would love to talk. Again, my name's George. You can text me 920-659-0023. Send me your make, model, year. I can get you a quote for a ceramic coating. You can also go to our website, and that will be in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful finish to your day.